With the current COVID-19 outbreak, antibacterial and disinfecting gels have become precious products. Their demand has skyrocketed worldwide, and in countries like the UK, some pharmacies have announced that they are rationing the sales of these products. We're going to teach you how to make your own effective antibacterial hand sanitizer at home with natural products. The effectiveness of hand sanitizer. The World Health Organization has published certain measurements to avoid getting infected with the coronavirus. They mainly suggest avoiding contact with other people and using a mask if you are sick or feeling any symptoms. Another important habit is to properly wash your hands with soap and water regularly. However, when you've been outside to go grocery shopping, you may not have that option. This is when hand sanitizer becomes a great option to disinfect on the go. It should be noted that the use of these gels or disinfectants does not guarantee we will not be infected, but it will reduce the risk significantly. With that being said, let's get started on our DIY hand sanitizer. To make this simple and effective hand sanitizer, you will need aloe vera gel, isopropyl or rubbing alcohol, essential oils of your choice, and of course, a spray bottle. In this recipe, I will be using lemon and peppermint essential oil, but you can use whatever works best for you. When preparing, you'll want to start by adding the aloe vera gel first. Add 1/3. Next, pour in 2/3 of the isopropyl alcohol. Now you want to mix them in well. Lastly, we will add a couple of drops of the essential oil we have chosen and mix one last time until it is homogeneous. Store the bottle in room temperature or the fridge, but don't let it out in the sun. And there you have it, a super easy homemade hand sanitizer recipe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos to come about the environment, sustainable lifestyle, gardening, and more. We'll see you next time.